There is another type of participle that you are aware of. These are called present participles, and they are on page 137 of Book 2, Stage 20. So make sure that you are clear on present participles. When you find them in the wild, they will have either NS or NT within them, and they will have a third declension ending on them. Some of the examples of present participles are at the beginning of the chapter, where we have page 134. The slaves returned to the villa carrying Barbillis. So that carrying, portantes with the NT in there, that is our present participle. Number 2 here we have ancilli prope lectum stabant, lacrimantes. So lacrimantes is our present participle. You can notice it by the NT inside of it. Also, these present participles allow us to describe someone by the action they are doing. So yes, the slave girls were standing there, but at the same time, this action is happening at the same time as the main verb, crying is happening. So they're like the girls, while crying, were standing near the bedside. Number 3, this one also is pretty good. As an example, the astrologer burst into the room shouting. So you could just say the astrologer shouting burst into the room, or you could say the astrologer while shouting burst into the room. But the point of a present participle is expressing what kind of action someone is doing, and then also having a main verb to say what they're doing in that moment. For example, Barbillis, reclining on the bed, heard the astrologer. The main verb is that Barbillis heard the astrologer, but the present participle, recumbens, shows us that Barbillis, while reclining on his bed, heard the astrologer. So it just makes it more specific about what time or what was going on when he officially did the main verb, which was the hearing. The final example from stage 20, page 134, is Formio hurried to the city, quaerens medicum, which is searching for a doctor. So while searching for a doctor, Formio hurried to the city.